good butt load on there too. Like 50 yards back down that road around the river, there's probably 300 sitting in that. Why don't we just go to the grocery store and get, at least I gotta get like a bar in me or something.
Yeah, we stopped there and had a chicken strip.
Oh my God. Yeah, throw that in here. Throw that chicken in here. Thank you, Jesus. There's these at the grocery store?
Yeah. We pulled up on top of this ridge and we looked down and it was just flock after flock, and ran into the farmer, luckily on the road, and he gave us the go-ahead.
Being at a place like this, it really just adds a lot more to the experience. You're not just driving home and finishing up, you're coming back to, you know, a log cabin with mounts on the walls, a roaring fire.
I've had this place since 2000. Looking back and thinking about the days we used to start hunting here, they stick with me right here. The friends and the relationships that I've built with hunting have lasted a lifetime for me.
There she goes. Come on, Joey, bring it back. You got them all, huh?
Oh, check out this retreat.
You make your passions your life, and you never work a day in your life.
The field on the second day, we had actually just beat the grandson of the farmer that we had asked permission to, and they didn't throw a fit. They didn't have any problems with it. They didn't even ask if they could come home with us. They just said, hey, good for you guys, go shoot it up. You know, you beat us. How do you want to call it? What do you call it? Hospitality?
I don't care.
Just like this.
I need to get my gun out.
Where did he do it at?
Oh, right. Perfect.
Hey, it worked out. That's good news. I like that. I like it when it works. Are they trying to come in different, like no wind switch?
Think they're picking us apart over the top?
No. What are you thinking, boss?
The group working back at us. Yeah. Yeah.
I like feathers.
So we can just go with the singles, would be nice.
You know, we were kind of finishing ones and twos, but not, you know, the 15s and 20 groups.
We were kind of set up a little too far on the corner of the field. We kind of bottlenecked the geese on how they would have to come in, and it just made it really hard for them. It was flock after flock after flock. There was no break, nothing, no time for us to move decoys, to move blinds, to blind up. You have to start burning flocks at that point. We know there's a lot of birds that we can go work with, but that's what you have to do to be successful.
You know, we thought we knew what we were doing. We thought we were good. Those geese made us feel like we've never goose hunted before very quickly. All right, let's do it. We're gonna move these down there. We keep moving the decoys around, but I think we need to move down, get more into the middle of the field. And we moved the blinds down kind of more towards the middle of the field, made a weird decoy spread that I've never seen. It was almost like a W, and kind of create 3 or 4 different lanes for them instead of kind of the normal 1 or 2. Let's let them figure it out.
Man,
Should we
I'm
go back there?
cold.
I thought cold. You think my thought?
7 left.
Yeah.
7.
Uh-huh.
The friends and the relationships that I've built with hunting have lasted a lifetime for me.